3, 2, 1, action!
Hey everybody, my name's Isam Aziz and I'm a realtor in Nashville, Tennessee. This is episode 1 of many of a show that we don't know what the name of is yet, so we're going to come up with one. Today we're going to talk about pre-approvals, the benefits of getting pre-approved, and who you should get pre-approved from. A lot of people, when they first get serious about buying their home, they go to Trulia or to Zillow to look at homes. That's a bad idea, but we'll talk about that in another video. The first thing that you want to do is contact your bank, get pre-approved. The number one reason that you want to get pre-approved is to know how much of a home that you can actually afford. So for us, when we were looking in this neighborhood, we went to an open house, we saw a $550,000 home, and we walked in knowing that we couldn't afford that house. It had an upgraded bathroom, upgraded kitchen, screened-in patio, and a media room, and just things that we didn't need. So we still got into this neighborhood, but at a much lower price point. This also allows you to know how much of a home that you can actually afford. If you're approved for $400,000, that might be a little bit tough for you to swing, and you'll be living paycheck to paycheck, possibly. I don't know. We were pre-approved for a much higher amount than we actually bought our house for. So my idea here was that we could manage our money better, we could pay a little bit more, and then actually pay off our loan a little bit sooner than if we bought a more expensive home. So you really have to know what is best for you and your family, and nobody can tell you that except for you. Number 2, get you in touch with a bank as well. So if you have problems with your credit or things like that, banks can usually help you fix that credit, and over the course of 6 months to a year, depending on how bad your credit is, maybe even 2 years, 5 years, they can help you fix your credit in order for you to be able to get a home and a good rate. Now, after you get your pre-approval letter, I suggest that when you guys get into an actual contract, go out and shop your loan and your rates and things like that. But for a pre-approval, you can usually go to any bank and they'll be able to tell you what you're pre-approved for. Number 3, and this is almost as important as the first one, is once you find the house that you like, if you've already been pre-approved, it gives you an opportunity to attach that pre-approval letter with your contract. So the seller sees your contract and sees that you're pre-approved for that amount, and you really become a cash buyer in their eyes at that point. Here in Nashville, especially over the last 6 months to a year, any house that's been under $250,000, they've had multiple offers on it, and it's really, really good for you to have as a consumer and a buyer to have that pre-approval letter attached with your contract so that they know that you've been pre-approved for that amount. This also minimizes the work that has to happen towards the end when you get to close, and you might actually get to closing sooner if you've been pre-approved. And really, I mean, there's a lot of different reasons, but those are really the 3 big ones. If you are serious about buying a house, go get pre-approved unless you have cash in hand and you're a baller. But if you're in the Nashville area and you need any bank contacts or anything like that, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to get you in touch with the best in the area. And we're hoping to get at least one of these out a week, hopefully on Sundays, Sunday nights, and something to look forward to on Sunday nights besides football. So thank you guys. Have a great week and talk to you later. Bye. Up here.
No. Okay, you're already rolling. 3, 2, 1, action!
That's so stupid. So we're rolling?
Oh my god,
okay.
yes.
Alright. Hold on. But see, I have to like... Okay. So we're going to talk about pre-approvals today and why you need to get pre-approved before you even start looking at houses. Why are you laughing?
I just paused for a second. 3, 2, 1, action!
I wish you guys could see her face when she did that. Anyway. Hey everybody, my name's Isam Aziz and I'm a realtor in Nashville, Tennessee.